I am Brett. There's a real person behind this video. A web developer who knows his craft. I don't just use AI. I make AI better. AI is powerful, but it doesn't run on its own. It needs coders to guide it, to refine it, to make it work for real people. I review and repair AI-generated code when it doesn't work. I clean up unused code and bring projects up to professional standards. Beyond coding, I'm skilled in image editing and video creation, with certifications in Adobe Creative Cloud, as well as web development and design. Seriously, if you're looking for a web developer's goldmine, look at my overall quality and persistence. With me, you get quality, dedication, and spirit. I am the golden nugget you have been looking for.